My name is Matt Koopmans, founder and director of Aurelian Group. I have 30 years of experience in the information technology industry. For me, as a small business, it's an opportunity to actually put my own vision into delivery of these type of projects. And I noticed that a lot of projects go wrong on the same points, right? With this expectation gap between the client and the delivery partner. Whereas the client has a vision of what they think they're going to have, or the delivery partner has a vision of what they think they're going to deliver, and they rarely ever met.
And I run a company called Arc Renewable Group. I'm a renewable energy engineer by background, and been fortunate enough to run my own business for the last 6 or 7 years. And the idea of Arc Renewable Group really is to provide customers with a holistic solution that reduces their energy bills, but really looking at what the customer needs and helping them with their specific energy requirements.
With Aurelian Group, we do things differently. We do it as a service. So instead of talking about scope and design documents, etc., obviously we do the design, but we don't limit it to a project. We actually take the customer on that journey, which is a continuous journey.
I actually met Matt and the Aurelian team through a business club called the Club of United Business, or the Cub Club. It was a serendipitous meeting, and Matt was just basically at the right place at the right time.
We started talking also about software because, you know, when you have process, you have software to facilitate those processes. I explained the model that we had. George invited me for a presentation.
I had almost like a light bulb moment that you know, we had a unique opportunity to bring our systems and processes from where they are now to what they could and should be in the future. We had a dedicated CRM software. We were running project management of spreadsheets and dedicated project management tools, and none of them spoke or talked together, so it was quite cumbersome for our staff to use.
So when we embarked on this journey with Arc Renewable Group, but there was very little consistency between Project Manager 1, Project Manager 2. That made it almost impossible to get, you know, reportable data, because the definitions of the data for Project 1 were different than in Project 2. As soon as the deal is signed and the asset is created, the project manager comes in for that asset and starts generating a project. So we actually have an automation within the asset in CRM. They click a button, they select the template they want to use for the project, and the project is then created in the background. All the links for the work drive folder, where all the documents, the drawings, and etc. are stored, are then also transferred to the project. So we built the end-to-end solution based on CRM and projects. Those are the two main elements, with work drive for the storage of the documents. In addition, they use Sign for the electronic document signing, Vault for password management and sharing, as well as Click for direct communications.
Now we're at a point where we've integrated all of those different bits and pieces into one platform that is tailor-made to our business.
So Arc Renewable Group is a fast-growing company. With Zoho One, my aim is to streamline that process even more by using more of the Zoho One applications that are inside there. So integration for me is the next goal, to just really look at what can we further integrate, what can we further automate. And therefore increase the run rate of an exceptional team that is working so hard to get, you know, the installations done for their clients.